it's me Tessa, and today I'm going to be doing a slime room tour, not a restock, I don't know. But I cleaned it all up because it was like a mess. Sorry, I'm not speaking right today. But yeah, let's just get to it, shall we? No? Okay, I'll wait a few more seconds. I'm just going to do it now. Sorry if you don't want me to. It's like really messy though, so let's not start there. But on the side here, I have some of these like mini cereal boxes. They're really actually cute. The Cocoa Pops. Because I might even put them in slime one day, and I can make like a cereal milk slime and put it in that cereal milk carton. And here's a DIY squad, and there's all my bubblegum butters that I'm trying to sell. Also in here is all the clays. I'm trying to make a few clay charms or whatever. Got some puppy paints to make some slime. No, not to make slime, to make squishies. And some of my homemade squishies are up in here. I'll take off this. Like, yeah. I'm really bad at making them, but hey, I gave it a go and it's quite fun to make them. Also in here is some like clear slime and container. In here's just some boxes to sell to people for the slime packages. Here I've got some glue. I have 2 litres, 50 mils of a clear glue, craft glues, clear slime glue, and some glitter glues. And I also got this from Kmart. And I'm trying to try out the wood glues. Then it says live, love, and laugh. What? Live, love, and laugh. And then there's some nice funny photos that make me laugh. So there's that. And here's just some cartons that are just free, so I can add things in there for storage. Over here, some activators. We've got laundry liquid, our mat, slime activator from a slime kit, borax, be careful, more borax, and a squeezy bottle, and some contact solution. We've got some jelly cubes, like they're peanuts. Do you know the peanuts that go in the packaging? Yeah. Then we've got some slime from Instagram sellers. Like here's this one. I made one, by the way. But here's this one from Slime Fruits. And also we have over this side, my slime table is very messed up. This is like my table, and this is normally my friend's table that we go on. We have some table salt, a shower gel, some gelatin, like some shaving foams, lotion if our slime is hard. We've got some glitter glues and some more that is scented like strawberries. Also we have some gloves to be safe with the borax. Then we got some paper towel, baking soda for the contact solution, and some water to make, you know, jiggly slimes. Also we have some Orbeez here, some like putty and some foam beads. We've got some charms, a slime board, and also some tools. My favourite, glitter. Over here we have some Dicey clay, black, brown, red, yellow, and some scents. We have vanilla, and the vanilla kind of smells like sugar cookies, and the strawberry kind of smells like candy. Up here some of my personal slimes that I won't be selling, but here are some containers I use to sell my slimes as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, bye!